The DREAME X30 Ultra robot vacuum offers an impressive combination of vacuuming and mopping, with advanced features such as hot water cleaning and automatic drying of mops. With a powerful suction force of 8,300 pascals, this vacuum efficiently removes dust, debris, and pet hair, while its self-emptying base can manage waste for up to 75 days. The innovative design includes a liftable mop and side brush with omni-directional dirt detection, ensuring even the toughest messes are tackled effectively. Equipped with object recognition technology, the X30 Ultra navigates around obstacles like shoes and toys, providing a seamless and thorough cleaning experience. The smart app and voice control compatibility with Alexa make it easy to schedule cleanings, manage multiple floor maps, and set virtual boundaries with ease. Featuring a long-lasting battery with up to 260 minutes of runtime, the X30 Ultra also boasts a fast charging capability, returning to its base when needed.